Now, this may sound a bit counterintuitive to you, but in case you run into problems installing Pytorch on your Mac using the previously described methods, then what you can do is try to use something like this. Conda install Pytorch, C Pytorch. This is exactly what we did for the Windows installation, so you can try that. And once you've done that, you're going to get all of these, and then you're going to get this one, proceed, yes or no. And once you proceed with that, then that part of the installation will be completed. And obviously we are not quite done yet. And after that, what you need to do is, I can't bring that up, so let me just bring up my terminal. So after that, what you can do is pip3 install Torch Vision. Again, the same way as you did when you were trying to install the Windows version of Pytorch, and that too should work on Mac, and that should get your Pytorch up and running.